As I got the shoes off. And we're gonna be going all the way over to that lighthouse over there. And we'll walk through this beach area too, where lots of people are enjoying the beach here in Jida, which is part of Zhuhai, China. You can see these apartments behind me as well, so some lucky people live right there. They get to overlook this all the time. There's even a little racetrack right here. And we're gonna walk down the beach and go all the way down to the lighthouse. So stay tuned for Jida and Zhuhai. Zhuhai, I hope you like that music. So that was a little bit of music that I'm it's created by AI. So I'm gonna try to do my Zhuhai with some songs like that at the beginning, and then we'll get into it. And this particular one is the beach, and the beginning part was just me setting some of it to music, and then now I'm gonna walk through the whole scene and just kind of, you can hear me narration and my reaction response, plus you can hear the ocean. All kinds of cool stuff, eh? So okay, so this is Zhuhai, China, and I live nearby, so you'll see other Zhuhai stuff. So subscribe if you want to see more. China, Zhuhai. So yep, I got the shoes right there. And what we're gonna do, I guess, is we will walk. Is that for bikes? Oh, that's chairs. So we're gonna walk on down. We got a lifeguard right here. Lots of people everywhere. And you get an idea of what the beach looks like. And there's the lifeguard right there. We're gonna walk all the way down. So walk through these crowds, and then we'll walk all the way to the lighthouse and kind of give you an idea of Jida Beach in Zhuhai. Let's walk all the way down to the water. So very interesting. I've been watching some other videos with Hina and Sanya. I do kind of wonder how it might, if it's kind of the same kind of, because everybody's wearing all their shorts and clothing and everything like that. There's the water right there. Oh, it's not too cold. Actually feels good. Water feels good in here. Okay, let's go up a little bit. So that's where we're going to be going, is that lighthouse, and give you an idea of the water in here as well. So it looks like this beach looks like a lot of kids more than anything. Lighthouse, lots of people everywhere, and it goes all the way down. So okay, so let's kind of meander inland a little bit. Yeah, look at all the people. There's people kind of crowded. It's August right now, and check out these holes. They really build big holes. The kids build some giant things in the ground. Huh. Let's go down a little bit. Kind of, there's like a lot of kids. Shenzhen looks the same. Kind of curious about comparison of different places in China, like Shenzhen and Sanya, Hainan, and Zhuhai. But this is what it looks like in Zhuhai. So the kids really like to build these big giant holes in the beach. Pretty amazing. We're gonna keep on moving along. And we're gonna get out of the sun in a moment. Yeah, a lot of people all in one small spot. I don't think they would be locals, because I think the locals would probably go somewhere further away. Okay. So we're going to be coming up towards these rocks. It looks like these rocks looks like kind of a photogenic spot. I bet it's mostly tourists. They probably come to see the lighthouse. It's going to be my guess. Okay. So we're navigating towards that giant rock over there. And that rock looks like kind of a tourist spot, so. Yeah, that looks like a tourist spot right there. I think we're gonna walk towards that. Oh, there's even like lighting up there too. So we got lots of photographers, all kinds of stuff. Here and here. Okay, let's go up a little bit. So they must be getting a nice angle right there. There's another photographer as well. So they must be getting these angles with the lighthouse in the background. There's a guy right there filming. Hey, okay. And lots of people over here as well. Should we get up there? Let's go up here as well. We're gonna just see what the view is all about up here. I think everybody's gonna capture that sunset. So they're capturing that sunset right there with the lighthouse. Okay, let's go back down. Okay. So at least you're getting an idea of what it all looks like. The Zhuhai Jida beach. Lots of people. And it looks like that's actually more of a tourist thing right there as well, when people when they take pictures with a lighthouse in the background. Okay, so we're gonna go this way, follow down. And that's the lighthouse. And that's all those people everywhere. Phew. Okay, so let's go this way. We'll walk down this way a little bit. Okay. Whew. So that's the Jida beach. I think that's the lighthouse. I'm gonna do a separate video, go into the lighthouse there. But yeah, lots of people everywhere.